So in this video, we are going to know about some queries in Hubble versus James Webb Telescope, which is going to launch in 2021. So let's get started. So our today's question is, why will James Webb Telescope be better than Hubble Space Telescope? Now before we know about James Webb Telescope, we should know about Hubble Telescope. The Hubble Space Telescope is larger telescope in space. It was launched into orbit by Space Shuttle Discovery on April 24, 1990. Hubble orbits about 547 kilometers, 340 miles above Earth. Hubble takes sharp pictures of objects in sky such as planets, stars and galaxies. Now let's turn to James Webb Telescope. Webb was designed to able to see first star and galaxies that were ever formed in an early universe. It can detect objects up to 10 billion times fainter than faintest star visible with no telescope, or 10 to 100 times fainter than the Hubble telescope. This larger light collecting area means the Webb can peer farther back into time than Hubble is capable of doing. Hubble is in very close orbit of the Earth. Now our second question is, how does James Webb Telescope work? The telescope is made of silicon and insulating Kapton foil. It shades the telescope not just from the sun's heat but from the reflected warmth of the earth and moon as well. The light from distant galaxies will collect into Webb's main mirror and then focus on the secondary mirror. So our third question is, when will the telescope launch? The telescope will be launched on 24 December. NASA has announced the launch of James Webb Telescope at 7:20 a.m. in their time and 5:50 p.m. in India's time on December 24. NASA, ESA and Ariane Space confirmed a target launch of date Saturday, December 25 for James Webb Telescope. The fourth question is, how long will the James Webb Telescope to reach its destination? It will take 6 months for the telescope to unfurl its sun shield and main mirror, calibrate the instruments, cool down and reach its destination nearly 1 million miles from Earth. So our final and last question is the Webb Telescope a time machine? Else can the James Webb Telescope see back in the time? The Webb will attempt to look back in time 13.7 billion years, a near 100 million years after the Big Bang as the original star were formed. So these were some updates and answers of your question. I hope you liked the video, and that is it for today's video. Wait for the next one. Till then, bye bye.